Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Survive 99 Nights in the forest on Roblox as a beginner. I don't know why it took so long to say that. So first, you're just going to get the axe and you're just going to start cutting trees. The trees that are cuttable, I don't know, are these ones. You're just going to then get your sack, so press 1, grab it and press store. And you can actually replant these closer to your campsite for easier access. Okay, you cannot place it too close though. Just gonna get more. So you'll need to put wood on the fire until it reaches 100%. So this is full already. I mean, like my sack. Press F just on top of it to easily reach level 2. And as you can see, the map has grown bigger. So you're just going to use your axe to still just cut trees. You can also do it to kill bunnies for your food. So you cannot eat them like this. You have to actually cook it. Just going to cut down more trees for the fire. You can also use this to craft items. Here, let me show you. Okay, to cook food, just gonna take out everything. Get the morsel and just place it out over the fire and just press E to eat. Here's where you craft items. You can place your logs in here and like metal items for screws. So craft item, right now I cannot craft anything. Yeah, you can craft a bunny trap, but you'll need, oh actually I can craft a map. Here, I'll craft one right now. Oh my gosh, the campfire is almost up. You know what, it's fine. Get your map and then you can place it wherever you'd like. Actually, I really don't know how to rotate this, but to drop, I guess, just press it. And then, hold on, let me get some more wood. It's easier to play with friends, by the way. I don't know, I just find it easier as well to play with friends. And when you open the map, you can kind of see where you're at. So on the first day, you can still just go out and explore a little bit. On the first night, there won't be any monsters yet, but on the second night, make sure you go back to your campfire or else you'll be chased by monsters, alright? And that is it. This is just if you're a beginner on this game, because at first I was confused too. Actually, this was my first day playing this game. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.